Moving home or buying property. Meet Totallymoving, your AI-powered expert created to help you find guidance and information when moving home or buying property. You can upload documents for instant analysis, simply type your questions for immediate answers, or even obtain guidance on potential defects or threats with a particular property type. Need a conversation? Then why not have a chat with our live virtual avatar, an AI-powered property expert ready to guide you in real time and programmed by a chartered surveyor to give virtual expert insights. Viewing a property and spotted a defect? Then simply upload a photo, and our AI can provide you with guidance as to the potential cause, repair options, and even estimate a possible budget range. Once you've found a property, then you can get bespoke property reports with historic sales information, crime and other risks, along with insights on what surveyors or solicitors may look for in such properties. If the property needs works or further investigations, you can find local trades or professionals using our search tool. You can plan your move with our project management tool and access the latest property news to keep up to date. We believe our expert guidance could help you save time, stress and potentially money, helping you spot problems earlier and before spending thousands on fees. Sign up today at Totallymoving.com.